everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of C# programming. And to get started, let's talk about the basics of C# syntax. Think of it like the grammar for the language of computers. Just like you need grammar to speak to each other, we need syntax to tell the computer what to do. It's the set of rules that makes our code understandable. So let's dive in and make sense of it together. Using System in C# Visual Studio is like having a set of common tools available to you without having to search for them every time. Imagine you're cooking in a kitchen, and using System is like having your basic utensils like knives, spoons, and pots already on the counter. You don't have to go searching through different drawers for them each time you need them. It makes your coding much faster and easier because you can directly use the essential tools you need. Okay, let's think about namespaces, like organizing your files on a computer. Imagine you have a lot of documents, and you create folders like Work, Personal, and School to keep them organized. In C#, namespaces are like those folders. They help group related code together, preventing naming conflicts. For example, you might have a drawing namespace for all your graphics-related code and a networking namespace for your communication code. This keeps your project organized and makes it easier to find what you need. Building on that concept, curly brackets are fundamental to organizing your C# code. They act like containers, grouping related pieces of code together. When you see curly brackets around a class definition, everything inside belongs to that specific class. Similarly, the curly brackets within the static void main method define the exact code that will run when your program starts. They create clear boundaries, making your code more structured and easier to read and understand. An internal class in C# is like a blueprint for creating objects that can only be used within the same project or assembly. Think of it like a special recipe for a dish that only the chefs in your restaurant can use. Other restaurants can't access it. For example, if you have an internal class for managing customer data in your program, only the code within that same project can use it. This helps keep your code organized and prevents other parts of your program or other programs from accessing sensitive data or functionality unintentionally. Think of the console in C# as a simple way for your program to communicate with the user through text. It's like having a basic screen and keyboard. For example, when you use Console.WriteLine, you are intelligent, it's like telling the program to display the text, "You are intelligent," on the screen. The semicolon in C# is like a period at the end of a sentence. It tells the end of a single statement or instruction for the computer. Just like you use a period to show where one sentence ends and another begins, you use a semicolon to tell the computer where one command ends and the next one starts. For example, in the code Console.WriteLine Hello World, the semicolon indicates that the command to print Hello World is complete. All right, before we wrap up, here's a little practice assignment for you. Try writing a simple C# program that uses Console.WriteLine to display a short message and then uses Console.ReadLine to get input from the user. It's a great way to practice the syntax we discussed. And if you want to dive deeper into the very basics, be sure to check out our starting lecture. The link is available in the description below. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tips.